So hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Singalwar from a business development management team of Webasha Technologies. So today we are going to talk about cybersecurity. In this world of internet and cyber world, who provide you a lot of benefits and advantages, there are also some disadvantages that cyber world come up with. Those are the malware attacks, phishing, adware, and even viruses, whom all of us regularly public might experience someday. So Webasha Technologies here provide you various cybersecurity courses which we cover on application security, network security, IoT security, and even critical infrastructure. We don't stop on this only. We have a vast syllabus where we cover all the securities, all the topics that are needed for cybersecurity and to get a good cybersecurity job profile. We provide different job profiles like ethical hacker, pen testers, cybersecurity analysts, network security engineers, as well as security auditors. All the batches for cybersecurity courses are mentioned below with their dates and batch times. Thank you.